Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Maths Tutorial by Dibesh sir. We have discussed determinant of matrix, adjoint of matrix in our previous class. You can check them through I button. In this video, we are going to learn about inverse of matrix and how to find inverse of matrix. So let's start. First, inverse of matrix. For an n cross n square matrix A, if there exists another n cross n square matrix B such that AB is equal to BA is equal to IN. IN means identity matrix. Then B is called inverse of A, denoted as A inverse. Remember that theorem. For square matrix A into adjoint A is equal to adjoint A into A is equal to determinant A I. Most important theorem. A adjoint A into A is equal to determinant A I. Next, non-singular matrix. The matrix which has inverse is called non-singular matrix. Remember that, which has inverse called non-singular and which has no inverse called singular. Theorem. A square matrix is non-singular if and only if determinant A not equal to 0. Means we can find inverse of matrix if determinant A is not equal to 0. So let's find inverse of matrix. By definition, A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon determinant A if it exists. It means determinant A must not be equal to 0. So let's do an example. Find inverse of A. 2 minus 3 5 4 if it exists. So let's find first determinant A, that is 2 4s are 8 minus 5 3 minus 15, that is plus 15, 8 plus 15 23, which is not equal to 0. So now adjoint A. For 2 cross 2 we know adjoint A is equal to we have to reverse the principal diagonal, that is 4, and change the sign, that is 3 minus 5 and 2. This is our adjoint A. Now A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon mod A. A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon mod A, means 4 3 minus 5 2 divided by mod A, that is 23. So divide individually, that is 4 by 23, 3 by 23, minus 5 by 23, 2 by 23. This is our A inverse. Next, let's understand by 3 cross 3. Find A inverse if A is equal to 5 8 1 0 2 1 4 3 minus 1. For finding A inverse, we have to find first mod A or determinant A. Determinant A is equal to that is 5, remember that, plus minus plus. So 5, close it, close first row and first column, then we get 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 into 1 3 plus minus plus, this is minus 8 into close first row, corresponding row and corresponding column. Okay, first row and second column, that is 0 into minus 1 0 minus 4 into 1 4 plus minus plus plus minus plus, that is 1 close corresponding row and column, that is 0 into 3 0 minus 4 2s are 8. So here this is minus 5 into 5, that is minus 25 minus plus, 8 fours are 32, 1 into minus 8, minus 8. So 32 minus 8, 32 minus 8 means that is 26, 26 minus 25, that is 1. So clearly not equal to 0. Minus 25, 32 minus 8, that is minus 1. Okay, 32 minus 8, that is 24, 25 minus plus 24, that is minus 1. Okay, done. Means inverse exists. So we have to find first minor, that is M11. How to find? M11 means close corresponding row and column. That is 2 into minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 into 1, 3. That is minus 5. Next M12. M12 means first row, second column. First row, second column. That is 0 into 1, minus 1. That is 0, minus 4 into 1, 4. That is minus 4. Next M13. 13 means first row, third column. 0 into 3, 0, minus 4 twos are 8. That is minus 8. M21. 2, 1. Second row, first column. That is 8 into 1, minus 8, minus 3 into 1, 3. 8 minus 3, minus 11. M22. M22 means second row, second column. Second row, second column. 5 into minus 1, minus 5. Minus 4 into 1, 4. That is minus 9. Next find M23. M23 is equal to 23 means second row, third column. 5 threes are 15, minus 4 eights are 32. So 15 minus 32, that is minus 17. Next M31. Third row, first column. 8 into 1, 8, minus 2 into 1, 2. 8 minus 2, 6. M32. Third row, second column. 5 into 1, 5, minus 0 into 1, 0. That is 5. Next 32 and 33. 33 means third row, third column. That is 5 twos are 10, minus 0 into 8, 0. That is 10. Using sign scheme, that is plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Remember that? Plus, minus 5. That is A11 is equal to minus 5. Next A12 is equal to minus, minus, plus 4. A13 is equal to plus, minus 8. That is minus 8. A121 is equal to minus, minus, plus 11. Next A22. 22 means plus, minus, minus 9. Next A23. That is A23, 23 means this, minus, minus, that is 17. Next A31 plus 6. A32 minus 5, minus 5. A33 plus 10, 10. Okay. So adjoint A, clearly these are in row but it changes to column. That is better. You must write minus 5, 4, minus 8 vertically, minus 5, 4 minus 8. Then 11 minus 9, 17. 11 minus 9, 17. Next, this is 4. Next, 17. 6 minus 5, 10. 6 minus 5, 10. Okay, done. Next, we have to find A inverse. We know clearly A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon mod A. Means this is our adjoint A divided by mod A, that is minus 1. So clearly all the sign are changes. That is A inverse is equal to 5 minus 11 minus 6 minus 5 divided by minus 1. Adjoint A divided by minus 1 means all the entities, all the signs of entities are changed, reversed better. So 5 minus 11 minus 6 minus 4 9 5 8 minus 17 minus 10. This is our A inverse. So thanks for watching my video. If there is any feedback or comment or any problem, then do let me know in the comment box. Thank you.